Need reliable, secure, and easy-to-use communication for your team? Meet the Retevis P3, a compact DMR two-way radio packed with professional features. With AES-256 encryption, your conversations stay private. It supports 64 channels, box hands-free, and an SOS alert, ideal for hotels, schools, retail, or events. The 2000 mAh battery delivers all-day power and charges fully in just 2 hours. At 5W output, it offers clear communication up to 3 kilometers, and the bright LCD makes operation simple. Compact, lightweight, and loaded with functions like recording, scanning, and programmable keys, the P3 is built for demanding daily use. Ready to upgrade your team's communication? Check the link in the description below to buy the Retevis P3 DMR radio now. Thanks for watching, and stay connected securely.